What are you talking about?
Not right there.
No. All right, 34, 35, 36. These are the last three that we have on the review. Everything else, if Macy is watching this, I think she's my only one. Is she my only one gone?
Hi, Macy.
Oh, Hallie. I'm sorry, Hallie. Hallie was gone yesterday also. Yes, I will send you both of these videos in the same email. So you should have another video to watch before this. 34, 35, 36. This is the only ones that we didn't get done. 34 and 35 give you the equation that you need to use. I will give it to you tomorrow in the test. Tomorrow is the test. 36, I don't give you the equation, but I will give you on the test. 34, here we go. The population of rabbits in the area is modeled by the growth equation. By the way, look at this growth equation. How many rabbits are we starting with? 8, right? That's my principal. That's my starting value. So we're starting with 8 rabbits, and then they're multiplying, right? Where P is the, wait. Where P is in thousands. So how many rabbits are we starting with? 8,000 rabbits, not just 8 rabbits. Okay, now, this one's tricky. Ready? This one's tricky. How long? Circle the words how long. When they say how long. Simon, put that away. When they say how long, we are solving for time. Okay? So that means we must have something to put in here. Will it take for it to turn into how much?
A lot. 4.3824 years.
So hold on. P of T, what do you put in here for this guy?
Put 25.
If you put in 25,000, which is the number that they give you, you are wrong. Because 8 is in thousands. So you just put in 25. Do you understand why that is? 8 is already in thousands. So you need to make sure you just put 25 and not 25,000. All right, to solve for T, algebra first. That was rule number 1, right? What do we do first? Divide by 8, right? 8 times E, so we want to get rid of the 8. E to the 0.26t. All right, what's 25 divided by 8? 3.125. Perfect. Thank you for that. Okay, now, how do I get E to go away?
ln on each side?
Yeah, put an ln on each side. That cancels out your E, right? Ln and E cancel. So, I have 0.26t and whatever this decimal number is, right? Okay, ln of 3.125, whatever that decimal number is. Then we're going to divide by 0.26.
Whoa.
T equals, how long does it take?
Hold up.
4.3.
What?
24 years.
4.3824. 3824. Are we talking years?
Yeah.
Are you sure we're talking years?
We did last.
Yep, you're right. It is in years. It will take that many years for 8,000 bunnies to become 25,000 bunnies. Yeah? Good? Beautiful. I heard that. 35.
Is she short?
What? No. She's really not. Actually, I don't know where I came from. Didn't have red hair either.
No, man.
Whatever. All right, 35. I know,
Your
same.
parents' mailman.
Same. I don't know. A radioactive element decays exponentially. Decays. They use this equation. How do I know that this is a decay equation? Because it's negative in the exponent. Okay, they're using different values. They use A and A naught. A naught is just another word like variable instead of P, right? Whatever, we don't care. A is the amount present T days and A naught after T days. And A naught is the amount present initially. That's my P value. Assume you are starting with 50 grams. Where does 50 grams go in? A naught. That goes in for your P. How much of the element remains after 10 days or 30 days? There's going to be 2 answers to this. What are we solving for, by the way? How much? We're solving for A. We want to know the after amount. So I'm going to do it after 10 days, which looks like this. This is just a plug the dang thing in, right? We don't have to solve. We're just going to plug in 10. Then we're going to do the same thing and we're going to plug in 30, right? 50 e to the negative 0.04463 times 30 instead. The first one is 31.9996. And what is that? Grams. Okay. It's decaying, by the way. We're talking about a radioactive element. We have 50 grams. Okay. After 10 days, this much has decayed. Is it going to be more or less after 30 days?
More.
More has decayed, so this number will be less than 31, right?
Lower.
Lower. What is that number?
31.99.
I bet
No,
it's
the other one. The other one. Go, Jacob. What?
13.1067 grams.
10, 6, 7 grams. Okay. So we're decaying. After 10 days, 32 grams is left. And after 30 days, 13 grams is left. Okay. It's decaying, decaying, decaying. Do you see how that works? 35 was a nice problem because you didn't have to unwind and do anything. You just had to plug it into your calculator. Do you know how to do that properly? Yes, if you don't, you better figure it out. Okay? 36. A population is growing continuously. They don't give us an equation, but what's the equation that we use for continuous growth? A equals PE to the RT power PERT. Yep. At a rate of 3%. That tells me that R is 0.03. If the population is now 5 million, that's P. P is 5. I'm going to make sure that this equation is in millions, kind of like it was in thousands. Instead of putting the 5 with 6 zeros on the end of it, I'm just going to put in 5. But I'm going to keep in mind that my label should say in millions at the end, right? What will it be in 17 years' time? What is 17?
time at one number.
T. And what are we solving for? A. That's the only variable that we're not given. So A equals, this one's just a plug the dang thing in again. 5e to the 0.03 times 17. Okay, and what do we get for our after amount? Should it be more than 5 or less than 5? It's growing, right?
It's gonna be a lot more than 5.
A lot more than 5. 17 years, 3%.
I bet it's like 8 billion.
What'd you get?
I told you.
8.326?
Oh,
What?
8 million.
Million. I'm just going to go 3 decimal
I got
places.
87.
You didn't type it in right.
wrong. What?
Okay, I'm glad you asked though, because now we can fix it.
That's funny, Jace.
5 to the problem. It's taking 5e to this power and then that number times 17. So what you want to do is you want to go over here and you want to insert parentheses there. And then I want to
It doesn't work the best.
You
I
forgot
want
the
to
5
insert
at the
a
end.
parenthesis there, right? I want it to do both of those in the exponent.
Can I have your
right?
pen
So I'm
to
going to
fix
do
it?
parentheses around the whole thing. Equals 8.326.
Oh, okay.
Can I have your pen?
No.
to fix it? You forgot the 5. 3265.
I don't care. No, I'm only doing 3 decimal places.
Why?
Because, like, this would be 8, comma, 326, comma, 000.
Yeah.
Whatever. It doesn't
There's
matter.
a 5,
It doesn't matter.
then You round even more
Well, whatever. I don't care. Whatever. Okay,
You're
good?
inaccurate.
Happy with that? Yes, yes? Beautiful. Okay, that is all. You should have your review completely done. If you are missing things on your review, you need to finish those. But go get a whiteboard because we're going to do some more whiteboard problems. What? I have not. Do you want me to send it to you now and watch it? Okay.
Get me a white.
Go sit back at my desk and you can
Oh, wait.
watch it.
No whiteboard. Let's see. Do we turn these in? Sorry, you walked away.
Go take it home and study it. Go get a whiteboard. Yes. 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 Kevin, yes.
Look at this one. There's other ones outside the box. Do it. Oh, this one will be in the little.
To Kellen. I don't know why it doesn't. Kellen. SCH.
Yeah, you were.
I don't know why it makes me type everything out. There we go.
No.
Want to hit? No.
Does Mr. Coffee?
Okay, I'm sending it now, Kellen. Okay.
Does he actually just erase it?
Kellen, does Mr. Coffee erase it with his finger? No, we turn.
You better hurry, because you need this review.
I
Okay. All right, go fast. All right, hurry up. Get a whiteboard so we can use our time wisely.
Now erase it, Brady.
Kellen. Just like that, and he's like, now he's.
No. Here.
Then you just go.
You just scribble all over it. Act like you're gonna understand
It's
it.
this.
I like this one to it. One.
Oh my god.
Okay, are we ready? All right, put everything else away. Here we go. Kellen, go sit at my desk and get your stuff going. Here we go. All right, I'm going to start off with some easy stuff.
Oh, yeah. You need to go.
One
Where are you?
log 5. What's that? Change it over. So. It's for real. Though.
Okay, switch these to the other form.
Top 5 smell of all time. It's like the smell of gas. Yeah.
Log base 2.
Okay, switch them to the other form. Go do that really fast.
Switching. Oh.
Simon, go.
What?
Okay, write these down. You're not solving for anything. You're just rewriting them in the other form.
The last one.
Just rewrite them in the other form. Same as what you always do. Right? Rewrite them in the other form.
Wait a
Yep,
minute.
yep. Yep, 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 yep.
Hey, can you do the last one? I don't understand it. Oh, I get it now. Good job.
You're going one way and then you're going the other way. Yes.
Mrs. Comasher.
Yes.
Is that one or the last one?
Log base X, 109 equals 7. Yeah, you're fine. Yeah, you're fine.
You look. Oh.
Yep. Looks good. Yes. Yes, sir.
This question, do I have to move it 2 decimal places? Is
Um,
that right?
You don't say that.
so if you set up your equation to already be 48.8, to do this problem, you would just have to make that 0.8 billion. That makes sense?
Okay,
So you can either switch this or switch this, but they will have, one of them will have to change. Does that make sense?
so in my equation, would it just be like that? Or is it like, is that where I put it?
Call me.
What'd you say?
Here, Zach.
Okay, your value of k, this is right, but 48.8 goes in for t and you're solving for k, which is like r. You're solving for r. But it's the same, I mean, they would be the same thing here.
Okay.
Like you solve for it, right, but 48.8 is your t, and then r is what you're solving for, yeah. So if you do it like that, then this one you'll have to plug in 0.8.
You literally just did.
That makes sense?
Shut up, Sienna.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
No, you'll have to plug in 800,000. Right? Because if this is in terms of billions. No, wrong. It would be 0.8 billion. Right? 800 million would be 0.8 in terms of billions. Yeah. Okay. All right. Do you want me to put the answers up here?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, base is 2 to the x power equals 5. All right. Always look for the base. This guy right here, I rewrote him backwards on purpose. What's the base? What's the low number? 4 to the 31, because the other two numbers switch, right? Equals x. Okay. Log base. What's the base number? 3 of.
5.
The other two numbers switch. Log base. X of 109 equals 7. Okay, your base number, the first number here and the first number here should be the same, right? The base number and the base number, right? They should both be the same. All right, let's, I'm just going to go down the list here. Yes, sir.
Solve a log. What's the log? What's the log that goes in? What's the number that goes in for log?
What?
Like when it solves.
So log is like evaluating some number. It's kind of like x squared. If you were to plug a number in for x squared, it's going to take that number and turn it into something else. Log of x, if you plug a number in here, it takes that number and it turns it into something else. It's kind of like squaring or cubing or whatever, right? So yeah, whatever the log is will depend upon what you're plugging in for that number. Does that answer your question, kind of? Okay, all right, here we go. Let's do log base 2 of 16. Solve for that. How do we do that?
Time on the calculator.
What are we doing?
I mean, you can.
Log 16 divided by log.
You can. There's two options. You can take log 16 and divide by log 2, in which case you've converted it to a base of 10. Or I could say equals x and switch it to an exponential function. It's going to be 2 to the x equals 16. How many times do you take 2 times itself to get 16?
3. 7. No,
4. Okay, and if you do this into your calculator, you're also going to get 4. You see that? There's a couple different ways of doing it. Got it? All right, that's the beauty of logs, is you can use a lot of different methods to solve these, and they are totally legal.
Do I have to get my
Okay?
calculator out now?
Shall we do another?
No.
Do log base 3 of 27.
Okay, that's easy.
Yeah,
That is easy.
log base 3 of 27. Okay, you can either say two different things.
3.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, wait.
What?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
If you say, some of you guys are done, most of you guys are done. If you say equals x, this says 3 to the x power equals 27, right? 3 to the third power is 27. Or if you do it the other way, you would say log of 27 over log of 3, which totally will do the same thing for you. That's totally fine. Okay?
Jay's good now.
All right, let's do this real quick. I don't want you to solve anything. I just want you to put this stuff together. So let's say we have 2 log base 4 of x plus 5 log base 4 of y equals, nope, not equals. Just say plus log base 4 of z. Woo! Okay, I want you to condense it. That means put it together. Simon, put that away, please.
Okay, so.
Okay, those 3 pieces. You gotta combine them and put them together. So at the end, you're only gonna have 1 log. Yeah.
Wait.
Yes, yes. Make sure you have a log on the front. Yes. Plus, you're just putting stuff together. You're putting the 3 logs together. Okay. What's plus mean?
No, that's not how you put it together.
Multiply. Okay, but before I multiply, I gotta move this 2. Where can he go?
Oh, wait. I looked at the y.
The
The y.
Yeah, so this becomes x squared, right? And there's 5. He goes to the back. Y to the 5th. The z, there's no number here, so we don't have to worry about the z, right? But now plus means multiply. I'm multiplying all those together, and it becomes 1 log. So log base 4 of, what things are you multiplying?
Oh, shit.
X squared times y to the 5th times z. How do you take x squared times y to the 5th times z?
X squared, Y.
X squared y to the 5th z. There you go. That's condensed. Got it? That's how you condense. Any numbers that are in front go to the back, and then you shove them all together, either plus or multiply or divide. Okay, next. Let's go 3 log of x minus 5 log y. What's the base of that log, by the way? 10, right? Log base 10, okay? Minus means divide, but you gotta move your numbers in front first. So put your numbers to the back and then divide. Or subtract, I guess.
Wait.
Oh.
Put your numbers to the back. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
These numbers.
right
These
here.
numbers you gotta get rid of first. But,
Okay.
when you move them to the back, that becomes x cubed, not 3x. Right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep. And you need a log in the front. Log doesn't go away. It just becomes 1 log.
Oh my god.
Okay, make sure you still have a log in the front. Trevin, you only have 1 log now. Log of this over this. Right?
But what if they cancel out
What?
the logs?
Lori.
No. You don't want them to
No, it's
cancel.
not. It's when
You
they're
did it in the
different
bathroom.
equals.
Okay?
On this side, equals on this side.
Yeah, yeah. All right. The 3 goes to the back. He is x to the 3rd power. The 5 goes to the back. He's y to the 5th power. Minus means divide. Now, there's a couple things that I saw that were wrong. Here's what's wrong. Ready?
They're not the same base.
Log x cubed over log y to the 5th.
No, the y and the x. No.
Not the same. We're condensing. We want 1 log. So this is not right. 1 log, and then I have those things that are dividing. X cubed over y to the 5th.
Yep.
This is the correct answer. That's what you want to have, right? You're just dividing the things that come at the back of the log, yeah?
Yeah.
Good? All right, let's solve for something. Here we go.
Okay.
Log, let's go log base 8 of 5x plus log base 8 of 2 equals log base 8 of 40. 40. Some of you guys can do this probably in your head.
Probably not.
Yes, you can.
You think?
Yeah,
Yes.
I totally think you can.
Oh, this is easy.
Did you do it in your head? Nice.
Wait, what am I doing in my head?
That is easy.
Log
The
base.
one we don't have all day.
Okay. This.
Okay, but I need to know how to
Have
do
to
it.
multiply
I did it
with
myself.
5x and 2.
You multiply 2 and 5, which is 10x.
So all these go
And
away,
times
right?
40 is
No, there's an equal sign, not plus.
oh.
There's an equal sign there.
So all these go away? The log 8?
No, not until you can only put, you have to put these two together before you can cross and cross.
Commenter.
So plus means multiply, right?
This.
Multiply these two together.
So log
This
8
was easy.
5x.
Times 2, which is 10x.
Oh, there's a pencil.
Equals log 8 of 40. Yeah,
Jacob. 10x.
there you go.
New water right
There
there.
you go.
Sip of.
Yeah.
Yeah, get it.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do log base 7 of x minus
Zach has to pick that up.
2 log base 7 of 3 equals
Don't you mean more like,
log base 7 of
don't you mean more like
4.
for the neck? Or his neck?
Okay,
No.
solve this one. Brady, go.
Oh, fine, I'll do it in my head.
I don't know if I did.
What did you get?
Oh, I'm loving
You're close, but not quite right.
Are you kidding me? This. This.
No,
You're
that's
wrong.
not what I got.
You did it
What,
wrong.
this?
You obviously did it wrong.
There's a 2 here, folks.
Oh.
Fix the 2.
I did it the reverse way.
Okay,
Okay, so
fix
then
the
it's-
2 first. Yeah. Yeah.
Thanks.
No.
That looks like a 2, but yeah.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
I knew what I meant. Yep. We're getting it. Very good. Yes, very good. I like it a lot.
So yes.
Yeah. Okay, but hold on. It was x minus 3 squared. So you got to put the x on the top and the 3 squared on the bottom. Yeah? And what is 3 squared, by the way? 9.
Oh, and now what do you think?
9. And multiply the 9 over.
That's good.
What?
That is good. Jacob, why don't you look at that?
There you go. Perfect. You should have gotten 36, by the way. This other one you should have gotten 4.
It's about right.
So those are your 2 answers if you're watching this online. Okay, all right, let's do some of these. Let's do ln's and e's. So let's say we have e squared equals x, and let's say 54 equals e to the x power. Switch those to the other form.
Jacob.
Okay, switch those to the other form.
Jacob.
Switch those to the other form.
So log or ln?
ln. Well, if you write it as log e, I'm probably going to count it.
Okay, help, I know how to do this.
How would you do it normally? If e was a number, how would you do it? Log base
This.
e of x equals 2. Okay, but what's log e mean? ln. So ln of x equals 2. What?
Guys, leave it to log E.
That's fine, you can. Yeah, it's not wrong.
Is this right?
It's not wrong. Yeah. Very nice. Yes. This one's ln 54 equals x. Yeah? Okay, let's switch the other ones. So let's say ln of 3 equals x. Let's say ln of x equals 9. Switch those guys.
And there are your eyes.
Okay, switch those two guys to the other form. Switch those two guys to the other form.
Why don't the markers I have ever work?
Y'all.
E
Those
to
little
the
Martians
X
from
equals
Sesame
3.
Street. Just,
E to the 9
we supposed to solve
equals
this?
9.
No, just switch it. I'm just worried about switching it right now. Yep.
I did it right? I got it.
You need help on this?
Not this one.
Oh, okay. This one. Okay, now.
I'm gonna need.
I wrote it backwards on purpose because if you were to rewrite him, you start with log. What's the base of the log going to be?
At least.
No. E, because E is the base of your exponent, right? And then you switch the other two around. 54 equals X, right? But log E is ln, so ln 54 equals X. So just look for what the base number is.
So just,
Because sometimes they might have it switched around. So your base number is E here, right?
So Ellen, you don't add it to this.
Now, what you could do, Trevin, if you want to, if you're looking at this, let's say I don't want to think about switching it around in like the circle pattern. Let's just ln both sides, right? ln and E cancel. So ln of 54 equals X. You could totally do that. That's fine. That will work. Yeah?
okay, bet. You want it?
Okay?
I beat you up.
Okay. What?
Nothing.
All right, let's solve some stuff.
Roll it 2 times so I can see it or for more.
Bad. Actually, we'll do it at the golf course. Is that good with you?
Oh, there's nothing there.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Okay, there you go. Do that one.
Do it now. Are we solving for this?
Solving for X. What's rule number
I
1?
like this one.
Algebra. And rule number 2. Switch it to the other form, right? It's already E, so make it ln or something like that, right? Okay, so switch to the, or do the algebra first. Okay? Do the algebra first. Simon, you better get going, bud.
But wait.
You're going to be real behind.
This
Can you hand me one of them markers? This one sucks.
28 over 5.
Okay, then I'm going to send that video to you and you're going to rewatch it. Okay?
Hey,
How's that?
Otherwise, you're going to be super lost.
28 over 5?
No. ln of 28 over 5.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
I'll
what
buy
I
that.
said.
Yeah.
But that's not what you have written. That's wrong.
28 right here.
And go ahead and do it in your calculator.
Oh,
Yes.
I can do it in my head.
Something for.
This?
If we
Yeah.
did with the ln of 28.
Point.
What do I do when it asks for the 116?
3.332.
Oh, okay. So that's when okay, so if you're doing A equals PE to the RT power, you know what R is, right?
Yeah.
Like from up above here, okay? And 1/16 of its original amount. I have no idea what his original amount is, right? But I know that, like, let's say his original amount is 16. 1/16 of 16 is 1, right? E to the whatever your R is, T power, right? And then you're solving for T. That make sense? Yeah. Yes. ln of 28 divided by 5. You add the 3 over first. Yeah? So 28 equals, did you get this figured out, Jace?
Where did my grade?
Did you get this figured out? Okay, I'm doing it right now. Okay, let me back up.
Wiggly, wiggly.
Okay, Jace, algebra first.
I got the 28 part. I don't know.
Okay, you add the 3 over and you get 28. 28 equals E to the 5x power. Okay, now we're stuck. Now switch it to the other form. You know how to switch it, right?
Nope.
Okay, so you can either ln both sides, right? Because what do ln and E do?
Cancel.
They cancel. So I have ln 28 equals 5x, yeah? And then, how do I get x by itself? Divide by 5. So whatever ln of 28 is, divided by 5. That's it, right?
X equals
0.6664, something like that, yeah? Okay.
I didn't even touch you, so.
All right, let's do another one.
Yeah, that's what they all say.
Oh my gosh, it went a little
4 e to the,
It very much bothers
I don't know, 3x equals 14. Solve that one. Solve for x. 4e to the 3x equals 14. Go. Shh. Do algebra first. Do algebra first. Do algebra first. Hey, do algebra first. Go.
Do we won't?
Oh.
Sorry, I didn't mean to kick you.
Whoa. That's 14 divided by 4.
3.5. Okay, are you working on this one?
Yeah, same.
LN.
I don't know what the correct answer is, but your work is correct. Yes, 0.4176, something like that. 0.4176. All right, Jace, are you lost? Or are we good?
I have this.
That's not what they got. Do it again.
Commentary right here.
Yes, which is 3.5, right? Type it in again. Make sure you do ln of 3.5 and close the parenthesis, and then divide by 3.
I know what it is.
That'll do it. Your work is right. Everything's on your work is right. Yes, yes, yes. All right. Did you get an answer? Perfect. Carson, are you working on this one? Okay. What do you do first?
Divide by 4.
Divide by 4. Algebra says we divide by 4 first. I got to get the e by itself. Shh. There's people that are watching this because they're lost. Here you go. E to the 3x equals 14 divided by 4 is 3.5. Now, any algebra I can do yet? No, we are stuck. So, how do I get rid of e? ln. And ln and e cancel each other out. So this makes 3x equals ln of 3.5. And then
It's 66 outside.
divide by 3.
It's not windy.
Okay, x equals whatever that is. 0.4176 or something like that. Yeah? Beautiful.
Don't you know what you should do?
Brady, you get it now. Awesome. Okay, let's do a couple more. All right, let's go. All right, I'm going to make this one really hard. Are you ready? 3e to the x, we'll go minus 7 plus 10 equals 31. I did 31 on purpose. Okay, solve this guy. Shh, there's lots of algebra that you're going to do.
2 steps of algebra.
Subtract 10 first.
What is 31 divided by 3?
Minus. Commentary.
You don't want to do that first. Yep. What?
Subtract that.
If this said 3x plus 10, would you subtract the 10 or would you divide by 3 first to solve for x? Right? Right? Think about if it was just a linear function, right? Yep. Yep.
You don't even do the x minus 7 yet. You know the answer.
Yep, you wait for the x minus 7 at the end. I don't know, but I can do work and say that it's right. Yes, that is right. Yep, yep. Okay? Yes. No. What did you do in your calculator?
Is it
You did ln of 7.
No.
Well, that's 7.
You're stupid.
Yeah. Very good, very good.
It's not 9.6.
Okay? No. Wrong.
How many?
All right, shall we do it?
Okay.
What? Hey, don't. Go pick that up. I don't care. No. Go pick that up. This is not a jungle gym. We don't just like do whatever. Okay, what do we do first? Let's walk through it.
minus 10
Yes. What do we do first? No. No. Minus 10 first. Okay, that comes out really nice. Equals 21. Then
7.
divide by 3.
At least you tried to do the math, Colton, instead of sitting there.
21 divided by 3 is 7. You guys need to be quiet. Now we ln x minus 7 equals ln 7. And then we add the 7. Okay, does that make ln of 14? No, because you have to ln the 7 first before you add the 7. So 8.9 something. Whatever.
8.94.
I don't remember what it was.
9.59.
Okay, 8.9 something. Yeah?
8.94.
Okay.
At least you're done first.
All right, let's do this.
Oh my god, Trevor.
At least he's used.
Okay, do this one.
So do I if I was a bus driver. Yeah, I have purpose at least.
Okay, Colton. Get rolling.
I forgot how to do it.
Rule number 1, algebra. Anything you can do. Rule number 2, switch it.
Wait, isn't all of it algebra?
But you can't.
What do you mean? Like when I say like, I should say arithmetic, not algebra. Arithmetic, like adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing first. So I should say do the arithmetic first, then switch it.
So is this what it should
Finish
look
it.
like before I start doing this?
You betcha.
Finish it.
You betcha.
Thank
Are you working on this problem?
No.
Did you not
Yes. Yes. Okay, Colton. This is your last chance, kiddo. Okay. There's no algebra you can do. So switch it to the different form. What does ln mean? Log base e. Now switch it to e.
I mess up somewhere.
Yeah, there's not. Okay. So
The marker doesn't.
ln is log e, right? Okay, so you want to switch it to an exponential function, and it will be e to the second power equals x plus 3.
That's right.
And then you need to subtract the 3 over.
Can I get my belt out of my locker, please?
What?
Can I get my belt? I have to like serve at something.
Moment sharks.
Brady, done it. Brady. I'm not lying. I just need to
Okay,
Yeah.
go. Go.
Yeah, I'm not lying.
Yeah, very good, very good. All right, can we do any algebra? Let's walk through this one. Can we do any algebra? No. So we gotta switch it forms, but before we switch it, remember that ln is log e. Okay, so if I switch them to exponential, the base is
E of 2.
e to the 2.
2 equals x plus 3.
Okay, now how do I solve for x?
You do e to the power 2 in your calculator.
And then you subtract the 3, and you get 4 point something.
4.38.
3. That's a 6.
6,
8.
7.
Oh, that's an 8.
8.
3, 8, 9, 1. It looks like a 6 from here. Okay, there you go. Good? All right, let's do one more. One more? Oh, we got lots of time, though. Let's do.
Those ones confuse me.
Okay, let's do one more of these and we'll do a pert, and then we'll be done. So 2 left. Let's do.
You missed.
You're built like her.
Hurt like a hurt. You are a hurt.
I never said it was.
You're built like by. You're built like a 1 by 1.
Okay, solve this guy.
Jacob's built like a. His head is built like a Lego.
Colton, I still don't know why you're talking.
Are they in the library?
Who?
The test booklets.
Oh, yeah. Go get him a mouthful printer and
Are
bring
they
him here, would you?
stapled?
No, bring him here and I'll staple him. I haven't gotten to that part yet.
Why don't you put the 5 back up there and spread it
I
out?
would not.
Divide it?
Divide that
I would
back?
divide it over to the other side if you can. You can put him back up to the other side, but it's gonna be really ugly.
So, e to the 6 over 5.
Yeah, part of that is knowing when to put the 5 up and when to leave him down. This case, I'd leave him down.
What'd you get?
Okay.
Put me down.
Did you get an answer?
Me in the parking lot after school. Let's see if I can go on the
Yes.
Jacob.
Trevor, you think you're all tough.
Brady, you don't have a leg to stand on, kiddo. Over there.
Can I go get some?
You didn't let me finish my joke. You didn't let me finish my joke, Mrs. Comacher. I
Uh-huh.
just think you're so tough. Just meet me in the parking lot.
Make me.
Make you funny is not gonna insult me. It smells good.
Yes.
You know you can get-
But I don't know that that's the right number. What did you get?
I got.
Yeah.
I got
What is
this.
in this that smells
Woo,
so
no.
good?
I get it.
You
What's in?
All right, let's go through this one. This one's a little bit harder. What would you do first? Oh, Owen says, wait.
Crappy.
Oh, the vapors are.
Now my lungs are about to convulse if I let.
All right, we're waiting for you, Owen.
Yeah.
Will you go take these to all the people in the other room?
Yeah, that's what I got him. Just keep smiling.
This is commentary. This.
They didn't go all the way through.
Well, I'll see what the problem is.
No, I got that one.
Okay.
I got 81.
All right, Owen, are you ready?
It's 4.0.
What do you do first? Let's go through this one, then we'll do one more. -6. Okay, Zach, you wanted to do this, and this is like totally legal to put the 5 in the back, but I wouldn't because that makes it to the 5th power, and that's really ugly. So what I would do first is I would divide by 5. Now 6 divided by 5 is kind of disgusting, but it's not that bad. It's 1.2, right? Okay, now can we do any more algebra?
No.
So what do we do next? Convert it. Log e, and we do e to the 1.2 power equals x minus 1. And then what? Add 1. Okay, all right, ready? A equals p e to the rt power. I have $500 at, let's say, 7% interest. Do this. Interest. How long to become 800? How long to become $800? Hey, that is my thing. Do the problem on the board. Go. Do the problem on the board. Go.
Don't say that.
Oops, the daisies.
Cringe.
Brady, go.
Oops, the daisies.
Yeah, go.
My honor, your honor, my client is.
Or I'll just wait till the bell rings and then we can finish this one after school. That's
High
fine.
school track t-shirt order forms are on the table outside of the office. Forms must be turned in by Friday, March 15th, that's this Friday. Also, there will be a vote meeting tomorrow during lunch. That meeting will be in Mrs. Allen's room.
Colton, you are really asking for detention today.
Students that have prom paperwork turned in by
Okay,
Monday, March 15th.
pick that marker up and put it back to where it goes.
I don't know where it goes on there.
All other prom paperwork must be
Actually, no, I
turned in
didn't.
by
You guys
Monday,
left
March
it there. So I
25th.
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't sniff through. Okay, shut up. You're weirder.
I'm not even sure.
Okay, what are we solving for?
I think I'm doing this one.
T. What's A?
That is 800.
800. What's P? 500. What's E? E. What's R? 0.07. And T is what we're solving for. What do we do first? Algebra. Divide by 500, which is 1 3/5, which is 1.6.
Supposed to get this.
Oh, E. To the 0.07. We're not done yet.
Is this?
Now ln. What's ln of 1.6?
1.7 something.
And then you divide by
6.71 it is.
0.07. T is how long? 6.71 years.
4 years, months, days, weeks, whatever.
It's years.
Where do you have wipes?
Come on,
All right, so there you go.
Where's wipes? Oh,
60.